The toolkit will be useful because it provides a lot of templates, advice and guidance around best practice of volunteer management at events. At Tenovus Cancer Care we have a lot in place already, but this will really improve how we do things going forward. As well as that, there's a lot out there in terms of volunteer management best practice, but what no one's done currently is relate that to events management and how volunteers fit into helping at events. When you have a longer term role, you obviously have a lot longer to build at the time the relationship with the volunteer. So you have the training that can go on for a couple of weeks or months even, and they feel really comfortable in the role. But with events management, obviously you've got a day with that person, so the training and the planning and the preparations have all got to be done beforehand. At Tenovus Cancer Care, I think the parts of the toolkit that will be really useful for us will be the information around best practice of recognition for volunteers and training volunteers at events. For me personally, at Tenovus Cancer Care, it'll be something that I can direct staff to externally, so they come to me for advice and guidance around volunteer management, and it'd be really nice to have something out there that we can use as well. The biggest piece of advice that I would give event organisers working with volunteers for the first time is to really think about volunteer requirements from the outset. The planning stages are really, really important, and it's quite easy to underestimate how much time it takes. If you plan your event well, then your event is going to be much smoother and volunteers are going to want to come back again. So there'll be supporters for you in the future.